In this video, we're going to address the benefits of SmartWire in an off-road vehicle. Off-road racing is one of the most demanding motorsports there is, both on the participants and the vehicle. The SmartWire device in an off-road vehicle reduces the complexity of electronic components. The SmartWire replaces all the conventional relays, fuses, and circuit breakers in the vehicle. The benefits of the SmartWire device in an off-road environment is that it's a small, solid-state device that's completely sealed. It has 30 outputs, 12 hardwired inputs, quarter-inch stud for the main power input from a battery cable, mini USB port for programming, VNet input port, switch input port. The SmartWire can be used in multiple configurations in an off-road vehicle. It can be used as a standalone device by itself, or you can add optional race pack digital displays, VNet sensors, data loggers. All current VNet products are compatible with the SmartWire unit. When it comes to manual switching items in the vehicle, there's 3 options. There's 12 hardwired inputs that are accessed through the two 23-pin connectors, or you can run the optional race pack switch panel or switch module if you have existing switches in the vehicle. The switch panel or switch module interface to the SmartWire device with a single cable through the switch input port. You can run a total of 2 devices on the switch input port, either 2 switch panels, 2 switch modules, or you can mix and match and run one of each. A simple example of how the SmartWire would be a benefit in an off-road vehicle would be as follows. Let's say they're currently running a digital display, some VNet sensors and modules online to monitor water temperature, oil pressure, all the common things in that type of vehicle. Let's say we wanted to trigger the electric cooling fan automatically using the SmartWire device. We interface all the VNet components through the VNet port and this T connector on the SmartWire. Once all these components are communicating with each other, we can take the data transmitted from the sensors, input it in the SmartWire, and use logic within the SmartWire to switch devices off and on. So we're going to turn our electric fan on using the water temp sensor at a given value. Let's choose 180 degrees. So we're going to tell the SmartWire when the water temperature exceeds 180 degrees, automatically turn the cooling fan on. We could also, if we were running the optional switch panel, program one of these switches to manually override that so we could turn the fan on anytime we like, regardless of what the temperature of the vehicle is. A more complex example of how SmartWire could be a benefit in an off-road vehicle would be, let's take a desert-style racing vehicle with multiple HID lights on it. The HID lights draw a large amount of current when they are first turned on. So normally we have to run multiple switches to turn them on individually to carry the current through the switch. With the SmartWire, we can use one switch to turn on multiple lights in sequence. You can actually program the SmartWire to turn each light on individually and offset them with a delay. So we could actually turn the switch on, the first light would come on, and then we could have a 2-second delay, the second light would come on, a 2-second delay, the third light would come on, and so on and so forth. This allows you to manage high current draw items more efficiently. If you're looking for a reliable, robust, sealed wiring solution for your off-road vehicle, please visit us at racepacksmartwire.com.